Hey guys, what I'm going to share with you today is a couple of ways that you can make kind of a photo or video journal to just remember the things that you've been up to. It helps make every day feel different for people who are doing this for their son or daughter, or with them, even better. You can have them make choices about what goes into it and what doesn't make it in. But most importantly, just review what you've done, like go over the pictures you've taken and be like, do you remember yesterday we went outside and we went for a walk and we saw this cool bird? Just using a lot of descriptions and making sure you use those time words. Like first we had a virtual class time and then we went outside, and after that, we had dinner, and last we got ready for bed. Those kinds of words are important to help support memory. The example I have for you today is a video of what I did this past Wednesday. And then the last example is a scrapbook that I made a while ago, but it's a nice example of what you can do with printed photos. So in my example, I would say, first, I woke up and I did yoga. Next, I would say I made a smoothie for breakfast. Then I got ready to Google Hangout with my favorite people. Then I went for a run and I didn't die. Then I recorded some books for the YouTube channel. And last, I played with my hedgehog.
Judges will be tasting.
I also fed Al our class fish. Can't forget Al. Lastly, if you don't have access to a camera or to printed materials, you can make a time capsule. So it's essentially doing the same thing but with objects that your student can go and feel as you're reviewing. So if you went outside to play catch, you could grab a ball and be like, okay, we went outside, we threw around the ball. Or you could say you made dinner together and put a plastic spoon or fork in your box and have them feel it and remember what you had. For example, like if you made pasta, you could say, remember last night we had pasta for dinner? And they could, for that example, you could also use like dry pasta as a real solid way of remembering the exact thing that you ate.